What is your business telling you, Joey, right now about where China's economic recovery from COVID-19 stands?
We just had our last quarter earning release, and I mean, as I mentioned there, for quarter one, you know, it's interesting to look at our business because we have business in so many cities in China. It does provide alternative view towards sort of the macro situation in China. So for quarter one, before Chinese New Year, actually it was a bit uncertain because of the uncertainties of the COVID-19 situation and the concern towards Chinese New Year, which typically has been the biggest migration of a human being on this planet. So we were quite uncertain, and then we planned a few scenarios to prepare for the Chinese New Year, because it's always a very big trading period for our businesses. And then when it comes to Chinese New Year, fortunately, the COVID situation was under good control, and people start to come out, and we have good trading. And then after Chinese New Year, things are going to the right direction, except we have been very transparent that the DINE-IN business is not back to pre-COVID-19 level yet. It's not. You know, the business moved to the delivery business, but in terms of DINE-IN business, there's still about, you know, sort of double-digit, you know, gap there. And then also the transportation hubs, which are mainly the airport and then the train stations, because of the slightly decreased traffic from moving between provinces. International airport business, of course, is very, very quiet. It's still very quiet. But for the domestic airport and for the train station, there was still a bit of gap there. So that gives you a sense. But in terms of the regional differences, which is another way to look at the macro situation, eastern part of China it's always very vibrant, and that's the strength of the economy. And by the way, it has been a strength of economy just for about 1,000, 2,000 years. So eastern part of China has always been the source of the economic growth, and for our business as well. And then southern part is coming back up, and western part is also moving pretty quickly. Northern part of China is still quite challenging. And has been like that for a few years. So apart from the sort of the top tier and the lower tier city differences, the regional difference is always an interesting way to look at the China economy.